Hi and welcome to my channel and my first unboxing of the Visico 5 TTL. My name is Damien Alexander and I am the owner of KrakenPhotographic.com. The Visico 5 TTL has a high speed sync of 1/8000th of a second. The trigger is on the box, but it doesn't come with a trigger. I do have a trigger for the Nikon. They do it for the Nikon, the Canon and the Sony, I believe. They don't do one for the Fuji just yet. It is a 400 watt portable flash, so it can be taken outside, even used in a studio. So without further ado, let's get this unboxing done. We have the instruction manual. We can have a look at that later. Let's pop all these on the floor. So we have the battery, the sync cord, power pack for charging. We have a diffuser, and we have a standard reflector. And here is the unit itself. Quite a nice tight handle, feels like rubber. I presume it's like a rubberized plastic. The bulb will be in here. So yeah, we have the bulb and the modelling light. I'll just put this back on protection. Just get rid of this box. Take out the battery, pop the battery in. There's the battery. So it looks like you charge the battery here, you can see. So it'll be taking the battery off and charging it. So that's a unit together. Alright, let's turn it on. The switch is on the bottom there. It has a USB and the sync port. So the unit is on. Says the battery is full. So we'll start off with testing the model light, which is there. You can see that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it cycles back to off. Test the flash. Yeah, flash works great. There you get all your options on the back. There's your mode button, your plus and minus for your options, test, and the audio for sound on, sound off when the flash goes off. Let's pop the standard reflector on so you know what it looks like with the reflector. Just like that. This is your diffuser. Put on your standard reflector. so. Just turn that off for now. Don't need to see the sync cable. Let's try the power pack. So that'll connect easy enough just to there. Take your battery off with the push button at the top, which is there on the actual battery. Slide off, and then it'll connect in and you charge that way, which is pretty useful if you've got a couple of battery units for when you're out on location. Put that back in. Lovely. So thank you for watching. That's the Visico 5 TTL with high speed sync. I'll be doing the first impressions and then a review after I've had the units for a couple of months and used it quite a lot. So if you like this video, please do the usual, like and subscribe. It really does help. If you've used this unit before, it'd be great if you could let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions about it, just say it again, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. So if you like the look of this unit, head over to lencarter.com. They're the sole importers for this this unit, I believe. Follow them on Instagram, follow Visico UK on Instagram and Facebook. You can always follow me on Instagram at Kraken Photographic and Facebook. Thank you for watching and have a pleasant day.